Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make butternut squash soup. For this recipe you would need 2.5 to 3 cups of butternut squash, 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, half a cup of finely chopped onion, half a cup of carrots, half a cup of cubed potatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 garlic cloves chopped, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream or coconut milk, and some cilantro or basil to garnish. In a pot, add olive oil, garlic, and onions. Fry for a few minutes on low heat. Then add butternut squash, carrots, potatoes, broth, coriander powder, and paprika powder. Let it boil on a low to medium heat. Then cover and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes on low heat. Then lower the heat until vegetables are soft. Next, with a hand blender, puree all the vegetables. Next, add salt and black pepper, mix well. Then add some cream. Let it cook for a few minutes more. Then garnish with basil or cilantro and serve with sourdough bread. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.